Hey guys, 2019 December the 5th. Today, look at my window garden today. There is, look, this is, I forgot this fruit name really. This is silverberry. And this cabbage I trying to make plant and spinach. And there is, this is like a custard apple, I think, yeah. And this is lettuce plant, and this is lagan, um, and this is no, this is yeah, this is lagan, and that one is custard apple, drafted one. This is mango, like a mango. It is a plum, but tastes like a mango. And this is my Coca-Cola. This is in window garden, guys. I have downstairs two room. One I'm using for sitting as a sitting room. This is onion. When I eat onion, then this thing I put like this in the water, and then when little bit grow, then I put in the soil to make onion grow. And this is, guys, that one is turmeric, and this aloe vera tomato plant is not growing well. This is Chinese ginger. I think this is, in the winter I try to grow, too much together, but in the summer I make them separate. There's my banana plant in the little dirt. Today is sunny, not sunny, so there's coconut plant that you can see well, I think. This is little flower, very nice scent. It's another aloe vera. This is this is for scent really. You can make tea. This is, I forgot the name anyway. There is jujube or something fruit. So this is a rose, like this fruit like a rose scent. I forgot the name anyway. This is like, oh, look, this is chocolate pudding tray. And that one mommy supported. This is chocolate pudding of, uh, you know, black sapote. Yeah, black sapote. Oh, too many fruits. You can't remember all name really. And this is aubergine plant I buy, but now too cold, so I put it inside. If this not die, then outside in the summer. This is, curry leaves. I just buy the branch and curry leaves together. Still alive. I think so. All right. This is, guys. This thing is a. This I buy from internet. This is the potato, big potato. It's called cassava. Yes, cassava. Cassava. There's a view of my window, and this is my front window. Uh, there's my little rose, guys, and there's more small curry plant. You see, yeah, this is my jackfruit tree. Jackfruit from seed I make, growing slowly. Let me see what happened. This is coriander leaves here. This pawpaw, I don't know, this is dying or alright. Let me see. This is ginger I'm trying to grow. Let me see what happened. This was my garden in front room, guys. So trying to grow as much as can. This mango. I'm not happy about mango. I buy 3 mango trees, but 3 or 4, yeah. All are died. Just this one is alive still. Let me see. Is work or not? This is moringa branch. Yes, I'm just excited if moringa and this big potato work. I'm happy. I try to see this big potato branch I saw the root. Maybe it will work. If work, I'm happy because normal potato, sometimes it is sometimes not work well because worm eat it, slug eat them. But this black potato, I think so they can eat easily because this is very strong potato. This is called cassava. Yeah, cassava. Anyway, guys, I'm really try everything to grow. There is my sweet potato. I'm trying to make them little live, and in the summer I put outside. These are my chili, little bit chili. There was more two chili, but they become insects, so I put outside in my greenhouse. In my back room, they have a greenhouse type, so I put there. And you guys, I'm making more video. Mummy's potato look very healthy, really. Still seed there. Seed is very big, like avocado seed, and it look like very strong. I hope it will work. I spend really too much money on plant. Let me see if work. At least if cassava and moringa tree will work this year, I'm happy. Because too much money, but have to work a little bit. Anyway, guys, still I feel this is my investment for the plant. I really invest lots of money, like 3,000-4,000 pounds. Maybe I spend. Big big wood chip for my garden, and buy compost also, and buy lots of plant, different plant. Whatever I see, I like it and buy it. Anyway, it is one kind of an investment. Maybe you buy lots of plant, like 10, 20, at least two if work, good one, like cassava if work for me, if moringa work for me. I'm more than happy, really. And I don't know what else. And they have like a persimmon branch. I have persimmon in my garden, but they are not give fruit yet. This is a drafted one. I don't know. It will give fruit this year or next year. This is donut plum type. That one. Let me see how much work or not. Really, this like a rose apple. That one also I buy before and die. I don't know how I die and I buy again. Like this I do really sometimes. I buy lots of plant and not work. In too much plant I buy. I don't know. Online one anything is still not work properly for me. Still, anyway, maybe I shouldn't waste money anymore. Just try to make from seed. This is better for me. Anyway, guys, take care yourself. I will make video about my garden. Not now, when summer, I think. Now everything is dry or leaves are dropped, really. So no point now making any video. I have one tomato. Look at that. I will make salad with this, no problem. And this must at the moment, guys. Someday, you know what? You maybe spend like 4,000, 5,000 pounds, sometimes in one or two plant, really. Give you money back like this. Really, I feel. Maybe sometimes some more plant are really will work for you. Yeah, this is this how you have to do. Investment means sometimes you lose or sometimes you win. So I'm doing investment in my plant, really. So guys, for your happiness, for your hobby, you have to do this. Some people spend money for buying costly clothes, for when traveling to the other country or something, blah blah, etc. But I spend money mainly really gardening. So I'm planning to buy my own house soon to make more better house and YouTube video for you guys. Some fruits I never eat. Anyway, I'm still trying my best. Anyway, I make a video again later. Now is cloudy, this why everything is darky look really. I'll make our hand is sun. Bye bye then. See you later. Take care of yourself.